Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads certified advertising professional. I'm also Facebook Bing Ads certified advertising professional, and I'm also Facebook Ads certified advertising professional. And my company is a Google partner company. We also provides different SEO, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Google Merchant Status services, even campaign setups, audit optimizations, and we provide Google Ads accounts as well, Google Merchant accounts. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a campaign in case if you have a solar website, and how you are going to create a successful Google Ads campaign for a solar website. So let's get started on this. So first thing is, we are going to find a website for which we are going to create a campaign. So it's going to be a short campaign because it's a general analysis on how you can do it. But in case if you have a solar website, in case if you're looking for help, professional help, my company is going to provide you with the professional help. And how you can find us, you can find us through the link in the description, and we'll be gladly able to help you and work out in creating a successful campaign for your solar website. So let's get started on Google Ads for solar website. So first of all, we are going to find a campaign, a company, and then we are going to do a slight work on it, and going to create an established campaign for that. Let's say if I open Google and I like solar companies in New York. Okay, so let's say we are seeing over 4 ads. So what I'm going to select is, I'm going to select this company for ad creation. Okay, we are going to work on this company and going to list other 3 as our competitors. Okay, so our website, I'm just giving you an example. I don't know who the owner of this website, but I'm just giving you an example here. Okay, so this is a website for which we are going to create a campaign. Okay, and these are our competitors. Competitor number 1 is Venture Solars. Competitors. Number 2 is, okay, let me make it at least black so it's easily readable by you guys as well. Why it's showing? Okay. Second is this one. Third is this one. And I can see in case if I found any more competitors in the description, in the footer. So yeah, we got one more competitor over here. Okay, so first of all, let's review our competitors. So the solar power system companies cost-effective solar energy, continuous and reliable power to remote side loads. Call us today for a system code. And in case if you look over here, this is our ad in this video, and the solar partnership for you, Venture Solar plus Sun, Sonova Energy, Sustainable Energy Products, top solar PPA company. So in case if you ask me on what makes an attractive ad, what I like over here is the exclamation marks and hash ones. The number 1 numbers attracts the human mind. So anything in the ad numbers is going to play a huge role over here. So I'm going to pick this as number 1 thing in our ad is that the hash one. So in case if I have to create an ad for this website, our website, okay, again, because we have a copywriting experts in our team which can help you in creating a better ad. But right now I'm just going to create an ad for here. So what this ad is missing over here is missing on the reviews. I would have to add the reviews over here. I also would like to add the location extension, and I also like to add the phone extension. These are the minimum extensions which I like to add. So let me show you how you can make this ad even better for us. So this is an ad preview tool. I'm going to write over here. Okay, I'm going to put this as a second. Okay, this is our website. I'm going to put it over here. Okay, they have added side link extensions, but I like to have something more. So this is a kind of ad they have it, they are running on. Okay, how we can make it better? Either is we can have this call over here, call us now at +1 blah 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 number. Okay, this makes that giving more authority and people like to call. This gives an competitive edge. And in case if you do not like to have a call now over here, we can have something a trustable, something like that, something renowned, our customers, or our customers include our cost saving and carbon emitting projects with Shell new engines. Why energy storage? Okay, why save, reliability optimization. I like to add something like over here, example of I'm satisfied customers. Okay, so I would like to add this line, and then side extensions over here like being shown in the I'm okay with the current side extensions they are providing. About energy storage, request custom code or something like that. Why us our results. No. Okay, what I'm getting is you can see the sample over here and over here as well, but for to get a more attraction, I would like to add the call extension here. The call gives more authority, you can see. And because pricing is, I believe that not possible, because you have to give a custom code depending upon the location requirement and places. So rather adding a price extension, I would add something different. I will show you. I'm going to first of all add the location extension. Okay, this location you can see that gives you the more trust. So if possible, add a location extension. In case if you can add, I can add reviews extension, because reviews is going to stand you out here. Like you can see the reviews, and the human might get attracted over here, because reviews is going to make a winning position over here. So in case if you have to add reviews, this is going to make it an exceptional storage over here. Okay, so either over here call us now, add this blah 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 this number, or this is going to give you an improved ad. Now coming on creating keyword list. If you ask me on creating a keyword list, I would knock down on 4 points. Like I would focus on location, I would focus on times. Okay, for timing, I believe that the perfect time to run for such campaigns is 8 a.m. morning till 6 p.m. Monday to Friday. And let's do a quick research on Venture Solar through SEMrush to see in case if you find any interesting data over here. Okay, just a second. Maybe we are able to find something good over here. Okay, what we can do is either we can focus on the organic keywords and create a list of the targeted keywords. So okay, if people ask me that is it a good idea to target on competitor terms in solar industry, I definitely recommend you to not to do it, because people have made the mind when they are searching for a competitor. I do not think it's a good idea, because intent is a very important of the user, and we have to find out that the customer in which stage customer is is present in their buying cycle stage. So in case if a customer had decided already made up a mind for a something specific brand, it's very very hard to convince them to your brand. So which is why, rather wasting your energies and efforts on that, focus on those visitors who are still yet deciding or thinking about to buy a solar system for their company or their house or whatever your strategy. So it's a better idea to target those people. So either we are going to target those people by creating awareness articles plus a combination, and we also need to have an email quote or email email newsletter on the website, so we can keep on remind people about the products and services we are selling. And then one thing is to extract all the keywords of organic and their page. So we can have a data like they are advertising on ATT solar panels, best solar company in Hawaii, and American solar panel manufacturers. So you can get an idea of the keywords from here. All of the competitors, we can list down all of the keywords, and then again, if you ask me which keyword match tab you should run on, phrase match is the keyword match to run on. And then again, now come to the location part. Okay, what we are going to do is we need a data. For a start, we can for first 2 weeks, what we can do is probably we can open for all US to get a data on where we are getting most clicks, most data, and then based on that data we can further define on which location to target. Now the question is bidding strategy. Which bidding strategy should be for solar website? So bidding strategy should be at the start of the beginning of the campaigns. I recommend people to go with either manual CPC plus enhanced CPC or maximize clicks, because right now we need a data on what is working well for us, and we have to spend some money to get a data and to improve our campaign. So after 2 weeks, I recommend to either try impression share method and find out how exactly the top positions are working for you, or move on to maximize conversions, because you got some conversions in the 2 weeks, and now based on that conversions you can now move on, and Google will also know that what kind of users are converting well for you, and based on that data we can improve further. And the question is how much what is an ideal budget for a solar campaign on Google? Okay, keep in mind that when we create a campaign for a specific client, we do extensive work, and it takes us a few days to get it. It's not like a minute status like I'm doing with you, because it's just a quick campaign. But for us, when we work professionally, we look on the competitor bids, how they fluctuate on the hourly basis, and then we decide a campaign strategy. But I'm just giving you an idea. So based on the idea over here, and you can based on the CPC over here, CPCs, and they get you data. Probably one should start with $100 a day or more. Okay, even if a campaign gets old, we can also move on to do retargeting campaigns and target those people who already know about our solar company. I also recommend to do local search campaigns for Google solar websites, because you are going to get people who are going to search for you in on Google Maps, and we are going to target those customers, potential customers, and for like if I write over here near me, okay, what you are seeing over here is a definite solar general results. But in case if I search on solar companies near me, okay, what happens is you often see ad over here. In case if I write something more popular over here, food near me, and I'm going to see some ads. Okay, because it's that night time. Later on, probably something even different. Posting company, posting near me. Or looks like no one is going to target me. 1 second. Okay, so I finally found some people who are actually targeting me. So like this is an ad. So this is an ad like this. This is a local search ad. So I will also recommend you to create local search ads to target people who are near you. So my strategy is to focus on those as well, like this one. And creating a local search campaign as well for people searching solar service near me. Like you can see that there's an already advertiser targeting in my region. So creating a similar campaign will also help you to show on Google Map results, and people do search a lot for solar services on their map. So I recommend you to create that campaign as well. So this was a quick on how you can create a solar campaign for to run on Google Ads. I hope you like the video, and in case if you want our help in creating a successful solar campaign for your Google Ads, Facebook ads, or even want to do SEO services, we'll be gladly able to help you and work out with you in setting up those. And thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Once again, thank you and bye bye.